Good morning, everyone. I'm Riddhi from grade 9A from the Spartan's house. Due to the pandemic, most of our activities got paused and we made many changes in our lifestyle, like having online classes or adapting to an online platform. But thanks to our school, DSC Banjara, we DSCians have been able to have many activities conducted even on an online basis, like the inter-house competitions. As a Spartan, I take pride in saying that I've participated in 3 of these competitions myself, namely being the poster making, the debate, and the creative writing competition. These competitions have helped me explore and improve my skills and also have helped me build my self-esteem. They've helped me expand my boundaries of skills and talents even outside academics and on a co-curricular basis. I thank our school for giving me such opportunities to express myself. Thank you.
My name is Adya Shanmuki and I'm from grade 2B. And I belong to Spartan's house. There have been a lot of inter-house competitions recently. So, B Spartan stood second in the math quiz, the inter-house math quiz. And I learned tables like a game, and it was really fun learning that. And I love numbers too, yes. Next up we have the inter-house spelling competition. So it was really fun with the words, and also there was a tie round 3 times, which ended in Spartans and Samurai sharing the first place. And I thank teachers and parents for making us do this amazing fun learning activity.
Hello everyone, I Bhavya would like to say you all that it was a rich learning experience to participate and win the first prize in inter-house declamation competition on this online platform. I have enhanced my knowledge and showcased my talent virtually with various students. The competition was held very smoothly and effectively. The students participated with great zeal and enthusiasm. I thank our principal ma'am and teachers for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Anand Fatima of grade 5B. As all agree, being competitive helps us excel. It was a great learning experience to participate, learn, and I would like to add that winning a prize in the virtual inter-house competition was great. On this platform, I have enhanced my knowledge and showcased my talent. I cannot explain how appreciative I am. Also, despite the lockdown limitations, the competition were a huge success. Thank you, DSC.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Ruha Nawaz of class 9A. First of all, I would like to thank my house captain and mentors for supporting and motivating me to participate in various competitions. I am proud to be a Trojan because it led me to show my true potential. As the name suggests, Trojan is a person from ancient Troy, a hard-working individual. My housemates are also known for their high intellectual skills, stability, and unity, symbolizing Trojans as a symbol of victory. Looking at them, I was also able to overcome my fear and tried to participate in many events. Last year, I participated in various inter-house competitions like tug of war, leg cricket, collage making, and debate competition. I am really proud to be a true Trojan, and I will always help in keeping the flag of Trojans soaring high. Thank you.
Trojans are warriors and warriors are winners. I, Amya Vashisht, am proud to be a true Trojan. I thank my house mentor for giving me the opportunity for letting me represent my house in various competitions. I appreciate my housemates for motivating and cheering me up during all the competitions.
I realized my potential and gained confidence once I started winning prizes, and this was because of my house mentor and my house captain who trusted my abilities. Being a Trojan, I would like to conclude by saying, once a Trojan is always a Trojan.
Warm greetings to one and all watching this video. I am Divya Jain of Delhi School of Excellence, Banjara Hills of grade 7A. Nobody had imagined the tough times we'd been facing during this pandemic, but I would like to thank my school for being so cooperative and also for providing significant education during these tough times. The best part is not only about the studies on the e-learning platforms, but my school has also been assisting in co-curricular activities. They had been holding inter-house competitions and been participating in inter-school competitions. I, myself, of Knight's House, has marched forward and participated in inter-house comic strip and inter-house slogan making competition. I am proud to say that I have participated in the Ads Up competition in APS Bolaram School, and also I have participated in the Raman Young Science Innovator Award. Before I conclude, I would like to say that I am pleased as punch to be a DSN. Thank you.
Due to the pandemic, we are all at our homes, neither stepping out or letting in. Hello everyone, I am Abdul from grade 6A from the Knight's House, which has a tagline, Marching Forward. By marching forward, we all are trying our best to get through these online classes. During the online classes, our school is providing everything. We are shifted from an offline platform to an online platform and also engaging ourselves in activities like work education, art and craft, music and inter-house competitions, etc. Our school also has no stone unturned in making the students participate in various competitions, activities and helping to improve our skills. Recently there was an inter-house competition where I got a chance, and trust me, it was a wonderful experience. We learned something new. I'm truly thankful to my school for supporting me all the time. Thank you, DS.